Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic TinkerCAD tutorial how to add components. So if you want to add components in TinkerCAD, you can use the import tools. Click import button in the top right, choose a file. So searching for your file, in here, for example, I will use the STL file. I will use this file and you can click open, click import. Be waiting to import the file into your TinkerCAD software. So you can select the objects, you can rotate like this. And that's it for basic TinkerCAD tutorial, how to add components. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.